Bitcoin jumped over 50 G's, and I guess it wasn't there for very long, but people celebrated nonetheless. It's a big number, Will, 50 G's. Symbolic. People say we go over 50, it means we got 100.
Yeah.
Like 100 is next. It's the next milestone there.
Yeah.
Maybe you get people at 75, the way we work as far as milestones. But $50,000 USD was significant for a number of people. You had people tweeting. You had people talking. The usual suspects. And a lot of this is on the back of the fact that, stuff we've been talking about, Tesla, MasterCard, BNY Mellon. These are the large companies who have recently shown their support for Bitcoin. PayPal is supposed to be around the corner, embracing the thing. Obviously, Jack Dorsey's companies are super into it. They purchased a bunch of Bitcoin themselves.
Yep.
Or they talked about it. No, they did. And so the question is, how far can the thing go? How high can the thing go? Everyone is super curious about it. But on the flip side of the equation, there's some that wonder if it's going to be like 2017, where we hit some new record and then things fall down again. Now, a lot of people don't think that's going to be the case. They think this time it's different. And the reason for the suggestion that it's different is because of these institutions, because of the types of investment into Bitcoin that's happening now that wasn't quite the same back in 2017. But it's certainly looking like a steep climb over there. When you pull it out to all, my God, Willie dude, that's a freaky cliff. I mean, it's not a cliff yet, but it's just such a spike to it that I understand some people's apprehensions, but this might be it. Who knows? 50,000. One of the other companies mentioned in this article, Uber, they had also discussed the idea of buying Bitcoin, but are also now considering accepting it, which is actually big. Uber's a big fleet. If you're talking about the cars, if you're talking about the food, if you're talking about whatever, if overnight they're accepting the crypto, then that puts a lot more online over there as well. So anyway, $50,000. What do you say, Will? It's going to 100, going to 0. What's it going to do?
I think it's going to rise.
Okay, you got the rocket ship on it.
100K.
Willie do got
To
the
the
rocket
moon.
ship.